Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the workspace and installing BugMD so you can generate consistent reports. Once installed, initialize a project with BugMD in it or clone your template repo. This creates the expected folder layout. Make sure config. YAML points to your templates, output directory, and repository metadata so BugMD knows where to read data and where to write artifacts. Do this now. Having the config correct prevents failures later and speeds up each iteration. Next, compose your Bug Markdown files using a clear front matter block for title, severity, and labels. Then add steps to reproduce, expected versus actual behavior, and logs or screenshots inline. Use the provided templates to inject variables and reuse snippets so each report stays consistent. Once files are ready, run BugMD build watch or BugMD render to generate HTML or PDF outputs and inspect the preview. This step verifies templating and catches. Finally, publish your generated reports and verify they render correctly in CI. Commit the markdown and generated artifacts, push to your branch, and ensure your pipeline runs a BugMD render step so outputs are produced automatically. Once the pipeline finishes, review the generated files and artifacts or deploy location to confirm formatting and links. If something goes wrong, check config. YAML and template variable names first. Those mismatches cause most rendering warnings and are the easiest fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.